Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here for you 2006 Toyota Matrix, and I would like to show you how easy it is to inspect and replace cabin and air filter. I believe anybody can do it themselves. You don't have to hire a technician. I believe it's a breeze and you will agree with me. So let's go and do it. Now you say, where is the cabin filter located on Toyota Matrix from 2006? So it's as usually hiding behind the glove box. How do I get to it? Well, it starts with opening the glove box and bringing small Phillips screwdriver and removing this screw. And this is what I'm doing, right? Using this screwdriver, nicely removing that, and that's the first step. The screw is gone, so that lets me to move away outside, right? This shock, which is for basically slowing down the lowering of the glove box. There's no other use for it. Now I will continue with removal of the glove box, and all I have to do, push each of these sides towards the inside and the glove box moves away, and voila, we are looking on that cabin air filter housing. And when you are sitting here right in this seat, you just use both your hands and grab these tabs which are on the sides, right? You push on these and that will let you remove this door. Behind that, cabin air filter. As you can see, this one is full of dirt and dust, and I will definitely say that it should be replaced. I'm just performing inspection, right, for someone, so I just got rid of all that big chunks of dust. I'm putting it backwards, right? So, how it's done? These tabs, do you see those on the bottom? They go on the bottom, that's what I'm trying to say. So you nicely fill that entire housing, 2 clicks right on each side, and it's nicely closed and installed. Well, we still have the glove box, so you just match it on the bottom and push it inwards, right? And it nicely clicks. The last piece is put this shock back right in the position and install that little screw. Screw into place. I'm closing the glove box and I'm done. Don't you think that is easy and everybody can do that? And please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way on this channel. Thanks for watching today and have a great day, my friend.